You are going to love the 2013 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.